Welcome sa Lutong Inato. Hello everyone, good day, happy cooking. Let's cook cheesy beef caldereta. But there is a twist because I am using corned beef. First, saute the corned beef and set aside. And then saute the spices, the red onion and garlic. Then follow the corned beef. And mikos-mikos lang, mix it all together. Next is the chopped patatas and carrots. Mikos-mikos again. And let's put some seasoning to taste, the ground pepper, aji, and salt. Let's add the green peas and the tomato sauce and add a little bit of water, then the soy sauce. And then let's add the cheese, yun no, cheesy. Then I add a little bit of honey para sweet. Then sesame oil panagdag ng aroma. Yun no, luto na po ang ating cheesy beef caldereta using corned beef. And so let's try. Wow! Yummy! Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Follow for more videos sa Lutong Inato. Yun no, ubos. Bye. Thank you.